Yeah, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if you're on the looking for a great career opportunity in data analytics, we have some fantastic news for you. PwC, which is the one of the top big four company, is hiring for the role of cyber R&R, ER and CS, which is their team name, as data analytics associate in multiple locations across India. So, stay tuned as we break down all the details of this exciting job opening. Let's understand a little bit about the PwC company now. So, a career in data analytics and PwC will give you a chance to help organizations uncover business insights and drive results using smart data solutions. PwC focuses on business intelligence, data management, and data assurance to help companies innovate, stay ahead of market trends. By combining human expertise with cutting edge technology, they keep helping business navigate risks and gain a competitive edge over the others. So the job location for this particular role is going to be of all the three locations, all the top four locations. I'm sorry, which is Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Kolkata, and Mumbai. And the role is of associate, which is in data analytics. And yeah, now the job responsibilities are let's understand. So so as you can see, they have mentioned the uh, job responsibilities over here. So it's all about going to be, like as an associate, you will work as a part of a team of problem solvers handling complex business decisions and business issues you would be dealing with. Plus, you will also make strategies and perform executions as well. And your key responsibilities will include, like, data analysis and insights, or you will be working with the tools like SQL, Tableau, Power BI, Excel to analyze data and provide business insights. Plus, you'll be working with the data preparation and cleaning as well, or you'll be using the Alteryx and Python for raw data transformations and cleaning. Plus, you will be dealing with the technology. You're dealing as a technology consultant as well. Like, you'll be supporting the clients with technology-driven solutions for risk management. Along with that, you'll also be involved into stakeholder collaborations, where you'll work with the global teams to attend calls, provide reports, and communicate insights effectively. Not just that, you'll also be working with compliance and risk management, where you will be following PwC's risk and compliance procedures to ensure data security. So basically, you're also going to work in data governance team as well. So you're going to get great exposure working at PwC. So what they are looking from an individual for this particular role, as you can see, they must have a very good, excellent analytical and problem-solving skill with proficiency in SQL, Python for data analysis, data visualization skills, hands-on data visualization skills on ETL, Alteryx, Tableau, Power BI, pipelining. Of course, basic knowledge of ETL pipeline is required. Plus, good to have also. They have mentioned that it will be if you have experience in accounting, cloud experience, risk management knowledge, so all these, then you'll be given preference over the others. So why once you join at PwC? It's a very good question that will come to your mind, right? So you'll get to work with one of the top consulting firms globally. Plus, you'll get exposures to cutting edge analytics and AI technologies. Plus, you'll get the opportunity to collaborate with global client industry leaders. Not just that, you'll get access to PwC's global learning and career development frameworks. Also, you'll be a part of an innovative team solving real world business problems. So, how you can apply to this role? Just go to the description, check it out. I have mentioned the direct link to apply in the description, and apply as soon as possible, because the sooner the better. And that's it for today's job update. If you're serious about a career in data analytics, this is an incredible opportunity you don't want to miss. Make sure to subscribe to Forge Onwards for more job updates, career tips, and data analytics insights, because we bring 3 plus job opportunities daily on this particular YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep forging ahead.